Looking for the best thermal imaging cameras? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 thermal cameras that offer incredible performance and reliability for a variety of needs. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Explore the features of top thermal imaging cameras with impressive specifications. These devices come with varying display sizes, 3.5-inch to 2.8-inch, resolution 320 by 240 to 640 by 480, and thermal sensitivity as low as 40 millicas. With a wide measuring range from -20 Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, multiple color palettes, and excellent durability, IP65 to IP54, these cameras are designed to perform in various conditions. They are powered by a 5,000 mAh battery and support USB communication. Perfect for both professional and personal use, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Item number 4. The BSIDE HX1 is a compact handheld thermal imaging camera designed for high accuracy and durability. With a 240x240 IR resolution and a 2.4-inch LCD screen, it offers 15 pseudo-color modes and a temperature measurement range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees. It features high and low temperature alarms, adjustable emissivity, and a 4 GB built-in TF card for data storage. The camera is IP54 rated with a 1.5 meters anti-drop design and supports a 2,500 mAh lithium battery. It also includes a laser indicator, LED illumination, and tripod compatibility. Item number 3. The Mileseey TR10 is a versatile thermal imaging camera with a 2.8-inch LCD display designed for various applications. It's ideal for equipment maintenance, floor heating detection, electrical diagnosis, automobile maintenance, pipeline detection, and electronic component inspection. With no smart device capabilities, this reliable tool offers precise thermal imaging for professionals in different fields. Originating from mainland China, the TR10 holds CE certification, ensuring safety and quality, a perfect choice for accurate and efficient inspections across multiple industries. Item number 2. The UNI-T UTI-260B is a handheld thermal imaging camera featuring a 2.8-inch display with real-time transmission. Offering advanced image modes such as thermal imaging, fusion, picture-in-picture, and visible light, it provides versatile solutions for various applications. With 49,152 pixels for high-quality images, this model connects via Type-C USB for easy data transfer. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, it ensures long-lasting performance. Originating from mainland China, the UTI-260B is CE certified, delivering reliable and efficient thermal inspection for professionals. Item number 1. The BSIDE HX1 thermal imaging camera features a 230 by 240 resolution, providing clear, detailed images for accurate diagnostics. With 15 thermal palettes to choose from, it offers versatility in various environments. The 2.4-inch TFT LCD screen ensures clear readings at wide angles, and the camera supports a temperature range of 20 Celsius to 550 Celsius with a 25 Hz refresh rate. Equipped with a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers long-lasting performance.